Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use emotes in Blox Fruits. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, come to Roblox and come over to the left and go and select avatar. And then what you need to do is come over to the right, hover over animations and go and click on emotes. Now I head to the top right of this section and click on equip emotes, and we'll go and see these different emotes here. So I've already got some set up, and what you can do is go and choose a slot or an emote, and I can then go and choose the emote I want to add here. And to get more emotes, I can actually see them in the recommended down here. And you can also go to the marketplace and get them there as well. So I've already got some set up, so I can now just go and use them. Now here we are in Blox Fruits, and then what you can do is come to the chat in the top left, and you want to type in /e. You can then type in the name of the emote or the number of that we just saw back on Roblox. For example, let's say I want to do the hello emote. I'll type in /e, hello, and press enter, and you can see it. So that's basically how you can use emotes in Blox Fruits. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.